This video contains an ad for Elmer's Squishies.
Wait, there's mystery characters? That's what I was trying to tell you. No time for that, Cam. This could be my best idea yet. We need to get this open.
Kamdenboy Kyraboo.
What's wrong, Kyra? I'm bored. I wish I had something new and exciting to play with. Whatever it is, it has to be something super fun. Super fun, huh? I'll be right back. Squishies! No, Cam, it needs to be something epic. Not just any toy. It needs to be fun. I want to do something I can make myself. I want to use my imagination. And most of all, I want something that I can play with. That's it! Elmer's Squishies! This is perfect! What? Wait, there's mystery characters? That's what I was trying to tell you. No time for that, Cam. This could be my best idea yet. We need to get this open. Glue, mystery balls. Ooh, our secret solution. I wonder who I'm gonna get. I want this and it's rare. Step 1, mix. Solution A to the A line. Solution B to the B line. Good job, Kyra. Thanks, Cam. Time to add the glue. Yeah. Whoa. I chose green. I already have a lot so far. How you doing? Oh, yours just has a little bit. Mine has a lot. Time to mix. Oh, wow. Mine's already blue. Whoa, it's already green? Mine's already blue. Green? Mine's already blue. What? You have to stir for 1 minute. Okay. Step 2, pour. Some right there. We'll be back in 60 minutes. They're ready. Whoa. I'm gonna touch this one. Whoa. It feels so like a squishy. Now it's time to reveal our characters. I'm gonna open this one first. Oh, look what I got here. Look what I got. What is this? We actually made a squishy. Look at it. It's so cool. Look at the back. I'm gonna squish it. Kyra, let's look up our characters. Yeah, that way we can see what kind of animal group they're in.
In the distant magical realm of Squishtopia, there lives a vast array of wildly creative creatures known as Elmer's Squishies.
Meet the elephant. We have an elephant. Okay. We have Mimi. This one is what we have right there. We have Owl. It's Otis. Let's go to the frogs. We have Aiden. We have, Aiden the bloated frog. Sloan the puzzle troll. It even gives you their birthday. I love how squishy they are. You're welcome, Cam. For what? We'll never be bored again. I got the rare one.